Okay, today I have the privilege of working on a very special knife. It's a Keen Kutter. It's the only one I own. And according to the stamp on the main blade, it was manufactured or made between 1870 and 1940 by Simmons Hardware. But it's a very old knife. You can tell because it's got wood handles. But it's missing a handle, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to attempt to replace the handle with oak and stain it with black stain. Okay, get a measurement first. We're looking about 2 3/4, as you can see. And this is the oak wood here, oak board. You buy these at Lowe's for like $7 or $8, not too bad. And I'm gonna be staining it with the satin classic black. And I think that's gonna match it very well. All right. So I'm gonna cut this along the side here. I'm gonna get the width and come right up here. I'm gonna cut this with my bandsaw. All right, I got the right length, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I might sand a little bit more. No, there it is. What I like to do is, you see these pins here? I like to get it lined up. I gotta make sure I have enough up here at the top to sand down because it's more width up here. So, gotta make sure I get that. Get it lined up. Let me zoom out a bit. Get it lined up as so. And press down. Okay. What that's going to do is make an indentation on that pin, the existing pin. Because see, it's missing a pin right there, but you can tell it's left an indentation right there. I'm fixing to drill on my drill press that little hole right there. And then I'm going to place it all the way down and get the other indentation of that pin, then drill it, then place it, then sand it down to the shape of the knife handle. Then after I get this one done, just simply line up the hole. Right, and press away. Excuse my dogs, they're just doing their job. Alright, there it is. See, I got that length right. Now you should be able to mesh in the other pin indentation on the back end. Take it off. There it is right there, see? So now, go back over here. And drill this. Just a little bit, not much. That's all we needed. Line the holes up. Goes on there real smooth. Alright. See, the main thing is getting enough, make sure we got enough to sand down up here. And we have plenty enough down here too. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's get to sanding. Tail is turning out really good. I'm going to finish it by hand on the sanded part and try to get it smooth, because that right there is unforgiving if you're not careful. Okay, I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue. This way. There we go. So now I'm going to let that sit there for about an hour. Okay, I got to take the tape off, but I waited 2 days. I did the stain, then I did a urethane covering of the stain. So let's take this tape off. All right, I got to get it cleaned up, but the handle turned out very well. It's going to be a little shinier than this side, of course, but at least it's got a handle now. All right, here she is. The nickel bolster's cleaned up very well. The brass. But this is again a Keen Kutter, according to this stamp on that blade right there, from Simmons Hardware, made between 1870 to 1940. So at minimum this knife is 83 years old. But I touched up this blade here. It had a lot of chips in it. Redid the point. Touched up this blade, this point. It was kind of rounded there. I straightened it out a little bit and put that edge on there. It turned out really good.